I'm back to share the latest innovations for our mid-market customers. As you heard from Ashley, it's been just 1 year since the launch of Intuit Enterprise Suite, and that's where I'm going to focus today. Intuit Enterprise Suite is the all-in-one platform that fuels mid-market business growth. And to do the demo, I'm going to bring us back to Alejandra, but it's years later. She has strategically acquired some specialty contractors since we saw her last, like renewable energy and masonry across several cities. She's brought some trades in-house, she's expanded markets, and she's grown her business to more than 25 million in revenue. With more than 50 employees, multiple entities, dozens of projects, her operations are now far more complex than they used to be. The increasing size and complexity of her business brings with it some very specific challenges. Managing multiple entities with no consolidated view of overall performance, slicing data by dimensions or key attributes of the business, more employees, which requires roles-based access, and siloed data across many separate point solutions. So to address these challenges, Alejandra is ready to seamlessly upgrade to Intuit Enterprise Suite, where growing with Intuit is simple with minimal disruption. She starts by scheduling a call to connect with her customer success manager, who can help her understand her business needs and her structure. She's excited about the IES offering, so she signs the contract, and it's time to get her set up. Now on the back end, all of her QBO accounts seamlessly migrate over to IES. And then her customer success manager can help get her set up with the rest of the platform: payroll, bill pay, and payments. And now she's ready to go with the full platform. And as you heard from Ashley, this isn't unique to Alejandra. 95% of IES customers are fully set up and running within 30 days. By comparison, as you heard, a legacy ERP would take 6 months, cost $50,000, and still only have a 50% chance of success. And for customers that are new to our franchise, we're tailoring onboarding with a dedicated set of professional services designed to ensure seamless transition with minimal downtime. This is what growing with Intuit looks like: fast, simple onboarding, and a clear reason why we win. So the team now has access to Intuit Enterprise Suite. It has the familiar look and feel of QuickBooks that Alejandra's team loves. But it's a powerful, modern ERP with the enhanced functionality needed for efficient and scalable operations. The CFO starts with a done-for-you implementation that creates a customized onboarding experience by vertical. One area is dimensions. Now, dimensions are the different ways to slice and view a business by portfolio, region, department, company, understanding performance at any level of detail. They review and approve with one click. Next, they see the multi-entity view of the entire business. Now, this is the consolidated portfolio-wide view they have been looking for. Gone are the hours spent manually reconciling and consolidating data in spreadsheets. And the team can toggle seamlessly between this big picture view and the individual entities themselves. Now, they've also been looking to get a better view on how they're performing. Because their dimensions are set up during implementation, when they click on their profit and loss, they can break it down by company and region, giving them the granular categorizations to drill down and understand performance. And because this is a full platform, multi-entity and dimensions flow across everything: payroll, bill pay, payments, giving Alejandra and her team the complete view of their business, all the way down to the transaction level. Now, construction businesses like Alejandra have industry-specific workflows. Think things like milestone-based billing or project-level job costing. Without these vertical capabilities, businesses like hers have to cobble together many discrete apps and manually combine data in spreadsheets. Fortunately, IES provides these vertical capabilities right out of the box for project-based businesses like construction, financial, and professional services. So let's see how a project manager on our team leverages IES along with the project management agent to automate their workflow and more accurately track project profitability. The project manager logs into IES to look at the project overview page. They can easily see all of their projects at a glance, making it simple to manage progress and easily spot things that require attention. A mid-market company like Horizon Construction, they get hundreds of bills per week. But here, the project management agent has already identified the 20 transactions specific to the hate project. So when they click in, the project management agent streamlines the project cost allocation and reduces errors by leveraging the data that's on our platform. So with just a click, the product manager approves them all in under 1 minute. When they navigate back to the project overview, actual income versus cost updates instantly, giving a live view of profitability per project. And because IES is multi-user with roles-based access built in, bills are automatically routed to the CFO for approval and eventually for payment. The result is 30+ hours a week saved, reviewing, approving, paying, reconciling transactions, one by one across entities. Now, for most mid-market businesses, forecasting is a real challenge, and that's because their data is scattered between apps and entities. Finance teams spend months stitching this together, 70% saying that planning takes too long. Others are paying thousands of dollars for separate reporting tools, and yet they still lack the real-time insights in the systems they use. With Intuit Enterprise Suite, the finance agent will automate real-time performance reporting and make scenario planning simple. So let's take a look. It's year-end, and the CFO logs into IES and asks to summarize year-end financials. The finance agent, powered by our financial expertise, as well as agentic technology, analyzes data across entities to deliver a clear financial summary of income and expenses. The agent also highlights key insights and reinvestment opportunities. Now, the CFO wants to see options for reinvesting the additional cash that's been called out here. The finance agent analyzes the impact on sales of purchasing new equipment versus spending on a new marketing campaign based on historic information as well as industry benchmarks. The agent also provides 2 scenarios for consideration. The first, reinvesting in new equipment. And the second, investing in a new marketing campaign. It's then able to calculate the potential ROI for each of these scenarios. And finally, at the CFO's request, it can update the scenario to focus only on one region, the West region. It then generates a strategic summary, includes the option chosen by the CFO, and supporting rationale that the CFO can easily download and share. So let's recap. Intuit Enterprise Suite lets customers run their business on one platform. IES is a modern AI-powered ERP. We win because of a best-in-class experience, a disruptive price for value, and a lower total cost of ownership for our customers. This positions us to unlock the mid-market, our biggest opportunity yet. With IES, we're not just serving mid-market businesses, we're redefining it with a modern ERP designed for growth. Now, you've seen the innovation we're bringing across our business platform today, but we haven't even touched on what's next, our Intuit Accountant Suite. This will transform the way that accountants run their firm and recommend Intuit, driving an important network effect. Cezanne briefly touched on this earlier, but please stay tuned in the months ahead.